crossover in both of those. But we would offer to the court that those records, Your Honor, the medical records from the hospital, certainly the records that the court reviewed yesterday, as well as those capacity evaluations, do not support or offer any supporting evidence as to diagnosis at the time of this offense or for this offense. The court heard testimony from the two defense experts regarding that specifically, that the first capacity evaluation was not until June of 2016. Neither expert offered evidence that there was any sort of assessment of Mr. Rojas. May 5th, 2016, after committing this murder and killing Ms. Costner, he was not kept at the hospital for longer than a 24-hour period. Discharged the next day, just an hour under 24-hour span of when he presented with an injured finger, and I think the records indicate racing thoughts in his mind. We'd ask the court to look at that and consider the purpose of his presentation at the hospital, the positive drug screen for cocaine that resulted from those records, and consider that the racing thoughts could have potentially been from that cocaine use. It could have been from the fact that he had just murdered his girlfriend. I think common sense would tell us that there probably would be some racing thoughts after those types of behaviors had been going on. Certainly Mr. Rojas has accepted responsibility for the defendant's criminal conduct. We don't dispute, certainly, that Mr. Rojas has pled guilty. We would ask the court to take note that that was a guilty plea. It was not by Alfred. It was not by not no contest. It was not by any other method or manner under the law that is allowed. It is his acknowledgement of his guilt. It is his acknowledgement of him murdering Starr Costner.
You could say your name for the court and
My name is Kelly Walker. I've known Starr since we were 12 years old. We met at the skate ring. I thought, who is this girl? I admit, I was a bit jealous. This girl had all the moves, and she was, I'm sorry. This girl had all the moves in the ring and on the dance floor. She always had the cutest outfits and was followed around by all the boys. She always was the girl all the girls wanted to be and the boys wanted to be with. She was beautiful, smart, and very sassy. Her attitude was bigger than she was. The love we have for her will live on forever in our hearts. I don't think you know or will ever know the impact on so many lives Starr had.
I'm trying to do this. I'm Leslie Costner. I'm Starr's sister. I'm not really sure how anyone starts a letter like this, and I'm not really sure anyone should have to write a letter like this. But I'm going to try to. We lost Starr 3 years ago the worst possible way. Murder, not only murder, but she was taken from the world in this cruel, unfair, and heartbreaking way. By someone we can all trust and hope, loved, and cared for her and my niece and nephew.
Balance. And realizing that the court must consider all of the evidence and weigh both the aggravating and the mitigating factors, not necessarily for their quantity, but rather for their quality. And weighing those factors in this case against each other, the court finds that an aggravated sentence in this case is justified. It is the judgment of the court that the defendant be imprisoned for not less than 397 months, no more than 489 months in the North Carolina Division of Adult Correction.